you guys wanted me to do like a detailed makeup tutorial. Well, not a lot of people, but just 2-3 comments I saw. And trust me, that is like the sweetest thing. Thank you guys. So I don't know why I'm so shy. Like there's no need to be. It's just I am. Okay, shut up. Moisturizer and sunscreen is important. I use the Cetaphil moisturizer, classic. Also, applying a lip balm before you start a makeup. You can also apply a Vaseline or something like that, so that by the time you do your makeup, it hydrates your skin. I use this Florence by Mills. Yeah, let it dry. Okay, now I'm just going to apply my sunscreen. One trick is to also apply moisturizer under your eyes like properly, so that when you apply your concealer, it doesn't make your eyes dry. I am going to start with my concealer. It's a NARS concealer in the shade Tiramisu. You can always use a concealer brush, but since I'm trying to keep it simple, I'm just going to use a beauty blender. I'm not doing it like a profession, I get it. If anybody who is a professional at it and watching and cringing, I'm so sorry for it. It works the best to hide pimples. A brush works the best. It's some CC cream which my mom got. For the eyeshadow, I'm just going to use a little brown which matches my skin tone. So this eyeshadow palette is from Sephora. Something related to this. Adds a subtle difference, but not that much of a difference. Still looks natural. So for today's look, I'm just going to do a brown smudgy liner kind of thing. You can always use a brown liner, but if you guys don't have a brown liner, like I don't have a brown liner, just going to use a brown eyeshadow. Just to give that effect, we can always use a brown eyeshadow. If you guys want me to do a festive makeup tutorial, do let me know. I will do it. One trick that I like to do after my eyeliner as well, just adding a little bit of concealer here below. It's much more visible and it looks much more sharper. So for my blush, I like to use this water tint because it just gives a natural look on my cheeks. A few of you guys just commented for this blush, and yeah, it is really cool. Nothing too fancy. I also like to go like all the way. Okay, so for the brows, I usually like to just apply a cream. I just like to use a brow gel. It is a very small step, but I actually really like it. One tip that I've learned, which is really cool, is that if you guys want to fill in the brows, the best way to use a cooler tone brown, because when you use a warmer tone, it doesn't look natural. Let me see if this works. Just need to fill in the space where it's needed. See, it doesn't look unnatural. It's what works for me. Or if you have good eyebrows, just skip the step altogether. Just a little bit. If you guys want a more matte finished look, you can always use a compact. For me personally, I just like it a little bit dewy and shiny, so I don't really use any compact. I'm just going to use my mascara now. On my lower lashes. I don't like to put a lot. Just like to top it off with a lip gloss. My best friend gifted to me, and it's a Rare Beauty lip gloss in the shade Serenity. So this is the version of my no makeup look. So this is something that I would do on a daily basis. Not on a daily basis, like when I want to look pretty but not show that I've put a lot of effort. Thank you guys for commenting on my video, and even if it's like 1 or 2 comments, it really motivates me. You guys are amazing. You just make me so less nervous. Thank you so much to put me out of my comfort zone. And yeah, so this is it. And please do subscribe to my channel if you liked the tutorial. Take care. Bye bye.